Hi, and thank you so much for watching my video. So I'm just going to go through how you can obtain a cheaper price for your cleaning services. I am the director and founder of Made For You house cleaning services, and generally the best way to obtain a discount on the cleaning service that you're looking for is just to ask, really. We have seasonal discounts. We have discounts that we provide our potential clients via email, and we're more than happy to pass them on for no other reason other than to save you money, especially during this turbulent time, and to try and provide the best customer service to our clients all the time. So if you go to our website, you'll land on our homepage generally, and then if you can read some information about our services and the services that we provide and why we're the best company to choose when it comes to cleaning your home, your office, or for your post-renovation project, or let's say you're moving out or moving into a new house. We're the best company to choose, and we want you to get value for money. So it's always good to ask for a discount. Now, how do you book? It's really simple. Go to our website, which is www.madeforyou.com.au. You'll come to our homepage. You don't have to click view price. You can just go here, book your cleaning service, or you can just click the book now button here, and then you'll come to our booking page. So you'll get the form where you can follow our, I think it's 8 steps process on getting a quote, getting an instant booking confirmation, entering your card details, and then being on the road to obtaining the best cleaning services that Sydney has to offer. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we look forward to servicing your home.